Hi friends, for today's math lesson you will need a pencil or a crayon, you can choose, and then lesson 9-6. Let's take a look at this first page. Daniel has 13 cherries on a tray. Jada has 11 cherries on a tray. How can you show this? What are you thinking you could do? Do you see Daniel over here? How can you show that Daniel has 13 cherries on his tray? And here's Jada. How can you show that Jada has 11 cherries on her tray? Go ahead and push pause and try that by yourself, and let's see what you come up with. Then push play when you're all done. I'm going to go ahead and get my pencil, and I think I'll choose red since we're dealing with cherries. Now remember, since it's math time, do we really have to draw an actual cherry? No, we can just draw a counter to represent the cherry because that's faster. How many counters did I say Daniel had? 13. Count with me to make sure I get 13 on this tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are Daniel's. Now let's do Jada's. Remember, she has 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, what could we do to make sure that we are correct, that our drawings are correct? We could go back and recount them, right? What counting strategy would you use to make sure you counted all of the cherries? Are you thinking marking? Me too. We could go back and mark every cherry and recount them to make sure that we got them all. We're going to get some practice with that today, so don't worry about doing it right now. For right now, go ahead and put your pencil and your crayon down, and let's take a look at today's math video.
What does this picture show? A tray with strawberries. How many strawberries are there? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on the tray. What does this tray show? This tray also shows strawberries. How many strawberries are on this tray? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on this tray. How is this tray like the one you saw before? Both trays show 10 strawberries. What does this tray show? This tray also shows strawberries. How many strawberries are on this tray? Let's count to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 strawberries on this tray. How is this tray like the two you saw before it? It shows the same number of strawberries. Does changing the arrangement or order of the strawberries change the number of strawberries? No, all of the trays still have 10 strawberries. How can you check your answer? Count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of the trays have 10 strawberries. Now you know that the arrangement or order of objects can change without the number of objects changing.
All right, let's go back to our paper for some practice together. Go ahead and turn to the next page, and it should look like this. You'll see Jada up at the top, and just like in the video, see how all of the trays here, each of them have 10 strawberries on them. See the 10 here? 10, 10, and 10. But the arrangement of strawberries on each tray looks different. See here, they're all lined up. And here they're in a circle. Here they're kind of bunched up in the middle. We practiced this before when we were working with smaller amounts. Now that we're working with larger quantities or bigger amounts, that rule still applies. It doesn't matter how the objects are arranged. The amount stays the same. Let's take a closer look. All right, for number 1 star. Now, this one's kind of been done for us, so let me go ahead and get my pencil here. Makes it kind of difficult to think on our own, but that's okay. We'll still get practice with that. Number 1 star, it wants you to draw a circle around the tray that has 6 strawberries. Well, you can see the dotted line right here, so really all you need to do is trace that. But I do want to compare these 2 trays of strawberries. Can you look at this tray right here and know that it does not have 6 strawberries? Without even counting them, we can look at that and see that's way more than 6, isn't it? Let's count these just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that one has 6 strawberries. All right, let's look at number 2 apple. Move me out of the way. There we go. It wants us to find the tray that has 9 strawberries on it, and we'll draw a circle around it. Now, since these are all in a circle here, we should mark them while we count to make sure that we get every strawberry. Let's go ahead and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I get all of them? Yep, and that is the tray that has 9 strawberries on it. Very good. This one looks like it has more than 9, doesn't it? Go ahead and turn your page. Remember, if I'm going a little bit too fast, you can pause the video until you're caught up, and then push play when you're ready to come back. All right, number 3 fish. Draw a circle around the tray that has 18 strawberries. Just by looking at those 2 trays, can you guess which one you think might have 18? Which one are you thinking? This one or this one? Let's go ahead and do this one. It looks like it has more, but we still want to count to make sure. And I want you to mark every strawberry so that you make sure you count each one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We were right. Remember, 18 is a 1 and an 8. There's the number right there. Circle that tray. This is the tray that has 18 strawberries on it. All right, number 4 heart. We are looking for the group that has 15 ladybugs. Ooh, this is tricky. Well, let's start right here. Are you ready to start counting and marking? Let's go. Remember, we're looking for the group that has 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We found it. Does this one have 15? It doesn't look like it. Should we count to make sure? What about this group? It's hard to tell how many are there. Let's count this group just to make sure there's not 15. Maybe there's 2 groups of 15. All right, we better mark to make sure we get them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh my gosh, this group also had 15 ladybugs. But wait a minute, that group looked very different from this group. In this group, all of the ladybugs were all lined up. And in this group, all the ladybugs are in a circle. Do they both still have 15? Yes. Remember, the order of objects doesn't matter or how they're arranged. The amount is still the same. Should we count these just to make sure? I'm thinking there's not 15 there, but let's count them just for fun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that group only had 9. It did not have 15, so we will not circle it. All right, number 5 handprint. Can you read that number right there? That's the number 4. Can you find the group or groups of bananas that have 4? This one's a little bit easier. Can you see that this group has 4 bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, do you see another group that has 4 bananas? 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle that group too. Does this one have 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, that group has 7. But look, this group and this group both have 4, even though they look different. These bananas are all circled up, and these bananas are in a line. The amount is still the same though. They both have 4. All right, we are going to skip number 6 coffee cup. I don't want you to worry about that one. Go ahead and turn your page. And you are ready for some independent practice. I want you to pause the video and try to do this all by yourself. I'm actually going to read one question at a time, so we'll do some pausing in between the questions. So for number 7, Christmas tree, I want you to draw a circle around the group that has 6 oranges. Pause the video now and try that all by yourself. Did you get it? Which group has 6 oranges? It is this one. Did you mark them while you counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. All right, for number 8 flag, take a look at these 2 flowers here. I want you to draw a circle around the flower that has 8 petals. Pause and try it by yourself. Which one was it? Which flower had 8 petals? Did you mark them to make sure you got them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh, that flower had 10 petals. Let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's this one. That flower has 8 petals. All right, let's take a look at number 9 kite. I want you to draw a circle around the flag that has 10 stars. I'm going to give you a hint. 2 of those flags have 10 stars on them. Pause the video and see if you can find which 2 flags have 10 stars. Did you get it? What's your answer? What are the 2 flags that have 10 stars? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not that one. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one has 10. Circle it. Does this one have 10 too? I don't know. Those stars look different. They're not in the same order as this one. Oh yeah, that doesn't matter, does it? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That one has 10 too. Draw a circle around it. Good job. All right, for number 10 house, I want you to take a look at these two trays. In this tray, I want you to draw 5 cherries or strawberries. 5 pieces of fruit, but really, does it matter? No, because we're going to draw counters. I want you to draw 5 counters on this tray. And then on this tray, we're going to draw them in a different way. You can pause and try it on your own if you want to, or you can just do it with me right now. 5. Let's see. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. I did it. They're all lined up. 5 cherries, 5 pieces of fruit. Now on this tray, I want them drawn in a different way. How can we do that? Oh, I could put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, take a look at that. I just showed 5 in 2 different ways. They both still have the same amount though, don't they? Yep, this one shows 5 and this one has 5. The arrangement does not matter. All right, go ahead and turn your page. We are to the homework pages. I want you to do both sides, this page and the back page, and then bring it back in your Bulldog folder tomorrow so that Miss Tia and I can check it. All right, before you take off, I want to take a look at the another look video together. Here we go.
You there! You're just in time to help with my project. I was making trays of connecting cubes to give to 3 of my students. I need to give each student 12 cubes. Can you help me check to see if I have 12 cubes on each tray? Which tray should we count first? We might as well start with this one. We have to be careful not to miss any cubes as we count. First, we need to pick a starting place. I'll start at the bottom of this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That tray is okay. It has 12 cubes. How about the next tray? Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uh-oh, I only have 11 cubes on that tray. Here's one more. That makes 12. This last tray looks hard to count. Let's try starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rats. I think we missed one. Let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lost count again. I know. Let's place a red counter on top of each cube as we count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That was much easier. Now we have 12 cubes on each tray. Thanks for your help.
Good job today, kiddos. I'll see you next time.